Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the pink outfit from Barbie's Princess Charm School. I don't know the title. Removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on, and I did use VIP for this, unfortunately. For the hair I used this in blonde in long, no adjustments made, and I used this hair in blonde, and then this color for the hair tie, AA1259. Position the X at 0.49, the Y at 0.57, Z 0.51. Rotated the Y 0 and scaled it to 0.30. Use this tie in this blue 102C67 in these adjustments. Position the Y 0.52, Z 0.56, rotate the X to 0.28. For the outfit I did use this top in this pink, the same as the hair tie, it's white first and then pink. And then I just left the buttons the same color, and then I used these sleeves here in that pink color. It does look weird when you're walking, but when you're like just standing it looks okay. Get the skirt in a high toggle in the same color, and then get this gold belt. Get this in just color and just color it the same, except for the third toggle. Use it and then make it like the same color, so like make it a little bit brighter. For the shoes, I use I don't know if she's wearing boots. Like in the movie, she's like wearing like heels and like some knee-high socks, but in the picture she's wearing boots, so you can do whatever you want. I'll do high striped socks. Actually, I'll do the feet enabled, and then I'm going to color it this purple. F75FF. It's like this pink purplish color. Wait, what am I coloring right now? Oh, I need to color these shoes properly. And that is it. Hopefully it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.